Hi, this session is on Mathematics, Chapter 1 on real numbers for grade 10. And the exercise is 1.2. The question number is 2. The question number 2 says, find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that the LCM multiplied by the HCF is equal to the product of the two numbers. The part 1 is 26 and 91. And we shall solve this in this scenario now. We are given two numbers 26 and 91, and if we see the product of their primes would be 2 and 13 for 26 and 7 multiplied by 13 for 91. So if we go with the LCM and HCF of 26 and 91, we try to find them. The detailed process of finding out the LCM and HCF is given in the previous sessions of this series, and if we go by that method, we see that the HCF of 26 and 91 is equal to 13, and the LCM of 26 and 91 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 13, which is equal to 182. So by this we have found out the HCF and the LCM. If this is the LCM, this is the HCF of the given two numbers 26 and 91. And now let's do the verification part. What it says is that we have to verify that the product of the given two numbers is equal to the multiplication of the LCM and HCF of those two numbers. So let's see what is the product of the given two numbers. That will be 26 multiplied by 91, which is equal to 2366. And now let's try to find out the HCF multiplied by the LCM. LCM is here, and HCF we will get 182 multiplied by 13. So you see this 13 is the HCF and this 182 is the LCM. So their product will be 2366. So both these things are equal. So what it says is that the product of the given two numbers, which is 2366, is equal to the product of the LCM and HCF, 2366. So hence we can say that we have verified that the LCM and the HCF of the product of two numbers is equal to let me repeat. LCM and HCF when multiplied give the product of the two numbers. Let's do the part 2 of the question number 2. The given two numbers are 510 and 92. Let's factorize them. So 510 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17, and the number 92 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 23. So after having factorized them, we can find HCF and LCM very easily. So HCF for 92 and 510 will be 2, and the LCM for the two numbers will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 23, which will be equal to 23,460. So this we have found out the HCF and LCM. But now let's do the verification. So in our case, the product of the given two numbers is 92 multiplied by 510, which is equal to 46,920. And if we find the LCM multiplied by HCF, we will get 23,460 multiplied by 2, which gives us the same value, that is 46,920. So we see that these two things are equal. Hence we can say that we have verified that LCM when multiplied by HCF gives the product of the two numbers. Now let's get to the part 3, which is the two numbers given to us are 336 and 54. Let's try to find their HCF and LCMs. So if we factorize 336, we get 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 7. That is equal to 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. And the 54 in that case gives us 2 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3. So we can say that the HCF and the LCM, we have covered the detailed method or the procedure for finding out the HCF and LCM in our previous sessions. So we can say that the HCF is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 that is equal to 6, and LCM of 54 and 336 will be equal to 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 3024. So this way we have found out what was asked in the question. So LCM and HCF has been found out, but now let's do the verification part. So we see that the two numbers given to us are 54 and 336. Their multiplication when done, we get 18,144. And if we were to multiply the HCF and the LCM of the two numbers, we will get again 18,144. So these two numbers are same. So we can say that we have verified that the LCM when multiplied by the HCF gives us the product of the two numbers.